Grandma?
No.
Do you like dogs?
No.
Do you like cats?
No.
Do you want a bottle?
No.
Do you want to see Rachel?
No.
Do you love Rachel?
No.
Do you want a hug?
No.
Can I have a kiss?
No.
Do you miss Grandma? Do you miss Grandma? Do you
No.
want some candy?
No.
Do you want to play a game?
No.
Are you just going to say no?
No.
Ask if he wants popcorn.
Do you want popcorn? Do you
No.
want pizza?
No.
Do you want tea?
No.
Do you want the hello?
No.
What about the phone?
I'm a bull.
Do you want a meow?
No.
Do you want to take a nap?
No.
Do you want to go to bed?
No.
Do you want to read?
No.
Do you want to jump?
No.
You want to go bye-bye?
No.
Do you love Mom?
No.
Do you love Dad?
No.
Do you love the meows?
No.
Do you love anything?
No.
Do you have a belly?
No.
Do you like the fishies?
No.
Do you like the meows?
No.
Do you have pretty eyes?
The big go.
Where'd the fishes go?
Where'd the fishy go?
The turtle.
Do you like meows?
The big go.
No!
No. The biggie.
The fishies are in the kitchen.
The daddy turtle.
Yeah.
Oh, the daddy
Oh, where'd they go?
turtle. The daddy turtle.
Oh, really?
Oh, the daddy turtle.
No!
No.